Namaskar. Greetings to everyone. I am Ms. Mrinali Raje from Dombivli, Mumbai. Breath, the only living component in our body, and it stays with us right from the moment we take birth till we die. Unfortunately and surprisingly, no one has ever taught us how to breathe. We hardly pay any attention to our breath. I was in Gautamji's group since long. I would used to watch his photos, videos देखते थे and थोड़ी सी curiosity थी कि the person who says कि I am an athlete by choice and entrepreneur, something like breath entrepreneur kind of thing. तो ये बंदा ऐसा क्या करता होगा? जो सरप्राइज था मेरे लिए कि ही नेवर सेड टू जॉइन वर्कशॉप और फॉलो मी एंड ऑल दैट. One day I saw his message कि if you are interested, join the workshop. I pinged him up. उनका कॉल आया and we decided कि चलो let's do the session. Even I was little bit curious to know what is all this breath lifestyle workshop is and what it is all about. So our session began. So the 5 days session actually passed like some moments for me. I learned a lot of breathing techniques from him, how to control the breath, how important it is. I am yoga practitioner, so meditation, pranayam, to have control over breath when I am doing yoga is in my lifestyle. But I would observe that I would pay attention to my breath only for those morning hours when I am doing yoga or when I am doing meditation. But Gautam ji easily told me कि whenever you remember you can control your breath. So जब मैं खाना बनाती थी, मैं बच्चों को पढ़ाती थी, मैं रास्ते से जा रही थी, I started to implement all his techniques easily. He tells thing in the simplest way. He says observe the things closely. Look at, keeping your eyes wide open. Observe it. When I started in that way, I got the different angle of looking at the things, and that made me happy. एक बात जो उनकी बहुत पसंद आती है, being a human being, it's common that कभी कभी encounters होते हैं, obviously they are verbal encounters. So कोई तो भी एक हाई जोन में रहता है, हार्श वर्ड्स में रहता है, and the other one is at the low frequency. तो he says it takes lots of years and practice to set the particular rhythm of your breath. तो जब भी ऐसा हो, you check on your breath. And I really liked it. I implemented it and it helped me. Because जब आप breath के बारे में conscious होते हो, you are actually living in the present moment. And that is what even the spirituality says. तो ये तो बहुत सारी बातें हुई about the workshop. Coming back to गौतम जी. सो ये ऐसे बंदे हैं ना जो आपको एकदम कंफर्ट जोन में लेके जाएंगे एंड he'll deal with you. My session was 4:45 in the morning, and one day I couldn't wake up. He gave me a buzz. He said, "कोई बात नहीं, take your time to get ready and join the workshop." So I have never seen him in a hurry, and he is very down to earth. He doesn't know that he is highly spiritual and evolved one. Unknowingly, he is practicing so many things and aspects of spirituality in different ways. I am really honored to share my feedback with you all. So, if you really want to work upon your breath, get the benefits, do contact him and try to join his sessions. Lots of love and gratitude to you, Gautam. Thank you so much. Thank you.